Hello again. Module 3, lesson 38. We are continuing with that multiplication. We're going to be working with 4 partial products and the standard algorithm when we multiply a 2-digit by a 2-digit number. So pretty much identical to your last 2 lessons. We do this multiple times because it can be pretty tricky. And like I've said multiple times, pick which method means the most, or you understand the most. So then you are able to master that, and then you can move on to the other methods. Okay. All right. So let's get to it. So we are going to do 22 multiplied by 42. So we're going to do a couple each way. So we're going to do some with the area model, some with the partial products. So you can kind of see both of them a couple times. We'll probably do like 2 and 2. Okay. So here we're going to set up our area model, 22, 22. Draw our line, 42, 42. Okay, 42 times 22. Remember, this is where we add our partial products up from the area model. So 2 times 40, 2 times 4 is 8. So 2 times 40 is 80. 2 times 2 is 4. 2 times 4 is 8. 1, 2 zeros. So 20 times 40 gives us 800. 20 times 2, 2 times 2 is 4. Add our 0. Okay, there's our partial products. So we're going to take 4, 40, 80, and 800. Let's add those together to get our final product. 4 plus 8 is 12. Carry the 1, bring down the 2. 8 plus 1 is 9. So final product, 924. Okay. Let's do another one with area model, and then we'll do some standard algorithm partial products. Okay, 29 multiplied by 62. Set up our area model, 29, 62. Now we multiply. 9 times 6, 9 times 6, 54. Add our 0 back in, 540. 9 times 2, 18. 20 times 60, 2 times 6 gives us 12. 1, 2 zeros. 20 times 2, 2 times 2 is 4. Add our 0, gives us 40. So we're going to take 62 times 29, or 29 times 62, either way. Add our partial products up. So we have 18, 40, 540, 1,200. We'll add them together. We got 8. 4, 5 plus 4 is 9. 5, 6, 7, and 1. So our final product is 1,798. All right, so I'm going to do another one with just the partial products that we've seen before. All right, so we're going to do 46 times 63. We're going to set it up in our standard algorithm. 46 times 63. Okay, and then we're going to set up those partial products over here And it's up to you if you want to break your 46 into 40 and 6, or if you're just going to take your 63 and break it up. I'm going to break it up all the 4 ways because I feel like that's much easier for our brains to multiply by the 10. So we're going to take 3 times 6, 3 times 40. And we're going to take 60 times 6 and 60 times 40. And you don't have to set these up. If you have your steps down, this is just so we don't forget that we need to, we're going to do 4 different multiplication steps for our 4 digits. Okay. 3 times 6 gives us 18. 3 times 40, 3 times 4 is 12 plus the 0 gives us 120. 6 times 6 is 36 plus our 0 gives us 360. 6 times 4 is 24 plus 2 zeros, 2,400. Okay, all of our partial products, which if we were to do an area model, this is exactly what we would see on the inside, right? Breaking up into the 4 different boxes. So we've got 8. 1 plus 2 is 3, plus 6 is 9. 1 plus 3 is 4, plus 4 is 8, and 2. So our final product is 2,898. Okay. All right, let's do one more that way, and then we will be done for today. So we're going to do 55 multiplied by 47. It's really small. 55 multiplied by 47. All right, so I'm going to set it up over here. 7 times 5, 40, excuse me, 7 times 50. 7 times 5, 7 times 50. 40 times 5. And 40 times 50. Okay, and then we multiply. Looks like a funny 4. 7 times 5, 35. 7 times 50. Well, we know that 7 times 5 is 35, so this is going to be 350. 40 times 5. 4 times 5 is 20, plus the 0 is going to be 200. And then we know 4 times 5, like we just said, is 20, plus our 2 zeros. So 20 plus our 2 zeros gives us 2,000. And then we add those together. So we've got 5. 3 plus 5 is 8. 3 plus 2 is 5. And 2. 2,585. It's our final product. So when you guys are answering questions, this is what you want to put in your answer. I don't need all of this. This is what you want to put in as your answer. And I can tell when some of us do it halfway because you give me a partial product answer. I'm like, oh, they were so close. They were on the track to the right way. But all right, you guys. So we will continue to review these in our small groups this week. And like I said, you guys have your kind of final module 3 test that will be coming up soon with multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. So really make sure that you guys are, well, I don't know if it's not addition and subtraction, multiplication and division is what your test will be on. Okay, so if you are super confused, you can go or still need some practice. You can just throw equations out, do some division problems and double check it with a parent or a sibling. And same with multiplication. You guys can easily practice these. And there's all sorts of resources out there to practice them. Or you can always pop into my office hours and we can do some together. All right. Good job today. We will see you guys soon. Have a great day.